Previously on Dragon Ball Z clips, Goku and Vegeta has just been killed by Cell, but now Dende has wished Vegeta back as a Majin and more powerful.
Allow me to show you the terror. Ready?
Can't win now, Cell. How are you more powerful than before? I'll show you. See that M on my head? It stands for Majin. Drain Kamehameha! I don't get it. Shouldn't have been in Super Saiyan anymore. Oh, that's all over now, Cell. What do you mean? My Majin form is Super Saiyan. It's the strongest you can get. How? That's it. I'm charging up to my ultimate form. How do you like my ultimate form, eh, Vegeta? You have no choice but to give up. Step back. That's it. Going to blow my body up. That was a failed attempt, huh, Vegeta? What happened?
Get out of my way!
Cell, get out of here!
Are you ready to die?
It's worthless. My body! Big Bang attack!